Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. I am going to revisit the Fragrant Layers Bundle this week. I wanted to really work on some super simple cards that are really effective. So this one, it's just basic gray ink. I added in some extra leaves and I just took my scoring tool and just added a 1/2 inch score line from the reverse side just to add just a little bit of interest. And then the Just a Note is from the Fragrant Layers set. So this is super simple, super straightforward, perfect as a sympathy card. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you know that I really don't like plain white space. But this is super simple, super clean, and that line of scoring just absolutely makes it. So I am going to do a slightly brighter version of this one, still with the Just a Note, but I'm going to use Strawberry Slush. And I'm going to show you how I will do that. So I'm just going to move this off to the side. I'm going to move my basic gray. No, I need my basic gray first. Okay, so what have I got? I have got a Strawberry Slush card base, and I've got a 5 1/4 by 4 piece of basic white. So standard card front, 5 1/4 by 4. So I'm going to take my basic gray, and I'm going to stamp the image. And I need to move this just a bit closer to me so I can center this as close to the middle of the paper as I can. So there we go. I'm now going to take the basic gray and I'm going to add leaves. So you can see the difference just adding a few leaves makes. So I'm going to add some leaves here and here. Add another set in at the bottom here. Add some more here. And let's just compare this. I added another set in here. And it is honestly that simple. That's how different the card looks with a few more leaves attached. So I think we're done with the leaves. So let me just close the basic gray. Now to change this up just a little bit, I am going to use a Strawberry Slush and I'm going to ink it up. And I'm going to stamp it off so I've got second value, but I'm going to come in with a dauber and I'm going to add more color to the little closed buds. Okay, and then I'm going to pop this down. And again, I just need to pull it a little closer to me so that I can line it up without being too far off. And again, sometimes the light blinds where I'm actually putting this down. Okay, so we've got the Strawberry Slush in second value with some extra Strawberry Slush added to the leaves here. And then I'm going to take, or the petals, sorry, I'm going to take the centers in regular Strawberry Slush and I'm just going to add it in. Just again, just that little bit extra depth. Then I'm going to come in with Granny Apple Green and I'm going to fill in those leaves. And once I'm done all the inking, I'm going to do the scoring. Sorry, see, I can't talk and think at the same time. Okay, and we're going to come in like this and like this. And apparently I need my set of 3 leaves because I missed that. Okay, so we're going to come in with 3. There are 2 different small leaf stamps. One is for this set of leaves and one is for the stamp, the extra leaf stamp. I just used the same background for all of them. So that is the front of our card right now. I'm going to bring in my scoring tool here and make sure that it is, I've got the cutting blade out of the way and we're in frame. Now I'm going to turn this over because I want the raised piece to be on the front. So I'm putting it in. I just want to make sure I am at the 1/2 inch mark. Yes. I'm just going to score, turn it around, score again at the 1/2 inch mark. and do all the sides. Now, when you score the other side, it kind of flattens it out a little bit. That's okay. You still get the general idea. If you've got strawberry slush ribbon, you can put some strawberry slush ribbon on. I do, but I'm choosing not to put it on this one, just because. Now, I've got a bit more empty space at the bottom here, so I'm actually going to, instead of putting it this way up, I'm going to put it this way up, and I'm going to put the greeting in here because I wasn't as centered as I was on this one. So I'm just going to grab some adhesive. I'm going to just pop that adhesive across the back like that. And pop that down. Then we dimensionalize the greeting. And I didn't put any bling on this one because I was really intending this as more of a sympathy type card. But you can absolutely bling this up. I've still got some strawberry slush and pretty in pink gems. And what I'm going to do, that's just pretty in pink. As you can see, I'm getting really low on these. I'm going to grab some of these and I'm just going to pop them right in the middle of the flower like that. Adds just a little level of bling and interest without taking away from the simplicity of the rest of the card. So this was our first card. Very, very, very simple, very, very effective. This is our second card. We've got that little bit of bling, we've got the added color, but we've still got that scoring all the way around the edge. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know what colors you would do this in and how you feel about the super, super simple but very effective card. Let me know in the comments, and let's create together again soon.